Hi everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Amani McGregor and I am with Luxury House Search, and I just wanted to make this video because we finally hit 1,000 subscribers. So thank you guys. If it wasn't for you, I know we wouldn't have got this far, and thank you from the bottom of our hearts. We have a lot of great videos coming up. If you have any video suggestions, make sure you leave them in the comment section below and we will continue to bring you great videos. So we have a lot of cool articles on luxuryhousesearch.com as well as buyer and seller tips. We're also going to be creating an investor page pretty soon, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, lease, or renovate your place, luxuryhousesearch.com has it all. So make sure you check us out, and if you have any questions, go ahead, direct message us on here or at info@luxuryhousesearch.com. We look forward to helping you out, and we will see you in our next video.